Hello everyone. Today we are starting C++. Before that, we should have brief idea about POP and OOP programming model. First is POP, that is procedure oriented programming. Now see, we have already seen POP model in C language. In that, whole application program is divided into a different procedure or the function. In that, main focus is on module or the function. In POP, there is no any protection on data, means there is no concept of privacy or the data hiding. In POP, program will execute from top to down. Now second is OOP model, that is object oriented programming. This concept allows to create a new user defined data type that is called unit or the class. OOP model focus on unit or the class. In that, whole application is divided into a different class or the module. Here's an OOP concept. Data is protected so that outside of the class or the unit we cannot access the data. Now the topic is difference between POP and OOP. POP is procedure oriented programming. In that, whole application is divided into a small procedure or the function, whereas OOP is object oriented programming, and in that, whole application is divided into a small unit or the class. In POP program, will execute from top to down, because execution will start from the main function, and that means C design the main module at the first top side and then other modules are at the downside. Whereas in OOP, first we design the submodule or the class, then we write the main module. So execution start with the main module from bottom to up. In POP model, data is free to flow, that means data can move from anywhere in the application. Whereas in OOP, data is not free to flow, that means data can only access using the object. Without object we can't access the data. POP model focus on procedure first, whereas in OOP model focus on module or the class first. The example of POP languages are C, Pascal, COBOL, Fortran, etc. Whereas example of OOP languages are C++, Java, C#, etc. POP model support the facilities like inheritance, friend function, polymorphism, exception handling, etc. Whereas in OOP model facilitates all that features. In POP, data is not secure as it does not support the data hiding or the encapsulation concept. By default, all the data in POP models are public, whereas in OOP model, data is secure as it supports the data hiding. By default, all the data in OOP model are private. POP model uses the malloc, calloc and free function to allocate the dynamic memory, whereas in OOP model uses the new and delete function to allocate the dynamic memory. Now the topic is OOP concept. C++ provide the following operating concept. The concepts are class, object, abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, message passing, dynamic binding. First is class. Class is user-defined data type, that is a collection of data member and member function. It is a static compile time definition. Now second is object. Object is runtime entity. Object occupies a space in a memory for the data member and member function. Object is useful to access the data member and member function. Now third is abstraction. Abstraction is the important data or the information without including other details. Next is encapsulation. Encapsulation is the wrapping up of data into one single unit, that is called the encapsulation. It is a concept of data hiding or the data privacy. Now inheritance. Inheritance is the reusability concept. Define a new class from